Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix screen black but power on issue with Asus laptop. Also, it will be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So if you're getting that black screen here, but your Asus laptop has some power or still has some power on it, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So in this case, first things first is you may want to refresh your GPU. So in order for you to do that, you want to go ahead and just press and hold the following keys, which is in this case going to be the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the B key on your keyboard. Now you want to press this together. So these four keys together at the same time, and this will refresh your GPU. Now, to be speaking, this will solve most of the issues that you may be encountering here. Because again, this issue is most likely connected to your monitor or your GPU. So refreshing your GPU can actually help. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that your laptop has enough power. Now, if your laptop does not have enough power or it's close to, let's just say, to being a low battery, well, you may want to plug in your charger here and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to basically do a soft reset, as we say here. So what you need to do is you want to remove or unplug your power cord here. You want to remove any USB devices connected on here. So any device connected on your laptop, you want to remove that. And you want to go to the power button here. And you want to hold that power button for about 40 seconds. Now, this will actually shut down your laptop. And once it's actually fully shut down and you've held it for about 40 seconds, you can go and just press it one time again to turn it on. And in this case, just let it boot up. Now, to be speaking, this will actually refresh your laptop, and hopefully that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, now in this case, you may want to get this checked. Sometimes there might be some loose connections inside your laptop here, so having a professional look at it can actually help. And also, make sure to mention that you may want to check, or you may want them to check your RAM for your laptop here, see if they are actually loose. So if there's a loose RAM inside your laptop here, that might be the cause of this issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.